guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. If you already can tell by the title of this video, it is my reversion video. So as you know, I did the TMS texture management. It's exactly 4 weeks today, and I said that I will definitely come back after 4 weeks, well, at the 4 week, to wash my hair to see how it will revert and if it will in fact revert. Apologies for this noise, like it's all the time. Every time I'm doing videos, somebody must be riding crazy bike or whatever somewhere. So without further ado, let's get started. But before we proceed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if not already subscribed. And I apologize for my look, because you know what stage I am. Last stage of pregnancy, I am tired, and the last thing on my mind is just to be, you know, dolling up, which I should do every now and then, but like I can't be asked because I've got so much going on. So anyway, so don't judge me, but this is not gonna last forever or for long. Once I have the baby, I will bounce back. So yeah, anyway, so let's get started. So this is my hair. It has been straight for the most part of the week. So what happened yesterday was it did rain. It rained yesterday, and I had to do school runs. I had umbrellas on and everything, but I managed to get my hair wet. So it now looks a bit like blow dried, you know, straightened hair. So it's not bone straight like it was from the beginning. I'm just gonna get a comb and comb it out, because right now it looks crazy. So this is how it looks. I won't go ahead and give it the verdict yet until I go in the shower, which I'm about to do now, until I see how my hair reverted. So I'm going to take you guys with me. So let's get this party started. But yeah, in here I have got... So I've got the anti-reversion shampoo and conditioner. So which I'm sure that's what you use to revert or not revert. I don't know, but I'm going to use this, wash my hair, and see what the result will be. So yeah, let's go and get this started. Fingers crossed I get my hair back. As you can see, I've got my shirt for hair day. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the shampoo. It actually is to wash your hair to stop it from reverting, but I will see what happens anyway. And it smells great. It smells like chewing gum. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair. I'm gonna use this much. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my scalp massage comb, well, brush or whatever you call it, because you know it's been a while, so I'm gonna have to scrub my scalp, get every dirt out of my hair, my head, my scalp. So yeah, I could feel my hair reverting, but what is this I'm seeing? Am I having a heat damage or what? Am I having a heat damage? Nothing's coming out, so good. It just shrunk. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse this out, finish with the conditioner, and then I'll show you the results. Hi guys, so I'm back. I've washed my hair, conditioned it, and my hair has fully reverted, guys. Yes, it has reverted. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what my hair looks like currently. As you can see the back. So as you can see the back, there is my curls part, and at the back it has always been different from the front, but it looks a lot more curly if you ask me, right? So let's head to the front and have a look. Ooh. Okay, so apparently, yes, it completely reverted. This is how my hair would normally be anyway. Right now I have a lot of shrinkage, is like shrunk up, but yeah, it's completely reverted. I didn't have any heat damage. I don't like this. Sorry guys, I apologize for this camera. It's just on and off. I don't know why it's not just staying put. But anyway, what I'm saying is this: I didn't have any heat damage, which I am really happy about. So ooh, this is it guys. This is my hair after using the TMS texture management system for 4 weeks. So what is my verdict? Will I use this product again? Absolutely yes, I will. Because yes, I'll give it an, should I say 8.5 or 9 out of 10. Yes, I really recommend this product. It is an amazing product, and it's made me being able to do my hair for the past 4 weeks without having to worry of what to do with it and all that stuff. So I am definitely going to try it again, and I am going to go ahead and try it on my daughter as well. But before I end this video, I want to do a quick giveaway guys. It's my first time doing a giveaway, so I thought why not. If you're interested in this video, in this product, sorry, and you would like to get your hands on it, just comment below the reason why you think you deserve it, and tell me the reason why you think you deserve the giveaway. Subscribe, like, comment, you know, check out my other videos, support me, really share this video as well. So if I see your participation, mainly the person that catches my eyes the most will be the person that I feel like would deserve to try this product. So both UK and US, yes, if you're in the UK, I'm gonna put all the information that you will need in the description box below. So yeah, let me know. Go ahead and join this family and let's grow together, and I shall be sending this good out to someone, one lucky winner, in the next 2 weeks. I would say I'm gonna wait for 2 weeks so that I can get a lot of people come in and like participate. Then after that, I will announce my the winner on the, I'm just gonna say on the, say the 10th of June, right about there, or the 11th of June, something like that. But I definitely will announce the winner, and I will get a winner. And even if you're in the US, wherever you are, I am ready to ship it to you, because why not? Just to say thank you guys for your support, for even making me, you know, get more subscribers. All the support I really get, basically, like, you guys are really great, so why not give something to you guys just to say thank you. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. So go ahead and be a part of this and get something from me as a thank you for all your support all this while. So that's the end of the video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like always, don't forget to thumbs it up, and I shall see you in the next video. Thank you and have a lovely day today. Bye bye guys, I'll see you soon.